Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to prepare cauliflower lentils soup. The ingredients listed are to serve 4 to 5 persons, and there is also a separate list of ingredients for garnishing. First, wash the moong dal and cook it with lot of water and turmeric powder. Heat water in another pan and add the cauliflower into it. Allow it to stay for 4 to 5 minutes. Check if the dal is cooked very well. Add the sliced onions, slit green chillies and cut tomatoes. Mix it well. Now remove the cauliflower from the hot water and add it to the soup. Add the water drained from rice. This is optional. Bring it to a boil by stirring it occasionally. When the cauliflower is half cooked, add the salt and mix thoroughly. In another pan, heat ghee or clarified butter and add the dry spices and curry leaves. Now garnish the soup with this spice mix. Mix it well and turn off the stove. Take care not to overcook the cauliflowers. Allow it to cool a little bit. Later, add a little milk and chopped coriander leaves. Now hot and spicy cauliflower soup is ready. You can add crushed pepper and serve it hot, or you can add the soup directly onto hot rice and enjoy it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon again with another video.